The modern farmer knows how important nutrition is for the healthy growth of his animals. The production of compound feed starts with a customer order. The customer, together with ForFarmers company advisor, will have determined exactly what the feed needs to achieve. These requirements have been translated into a recipe. The order is simultaneously planned into the production and distribution process based on the recipe and the bulk delivery vehicle's most efficient route. Ships and trucks take the raw materials to the factory, and large bulk vehicles will eventually deliver the final product to the farmers. We would like to use this video to show you what actually happens inside the factory. You need top quality raw materials in order to make good quality and safe feed. We exclusively use raw materials for which we can completely check and trace the origin. We source these products from certified and therefore approved suppliers. In this way, quality and safety are guaranteed before the raw materials even arrive at the factory. Yet, we will still extensively test these hundreds of different products before releasing them for production. We constantly take samples from all the raw materials supplied. These are sent to certified laboratories for analysis. The production itself takes place in 4 steps: weighing, grinding, mixing and extrusion. The raw materials and ingredients are weighed and combined in the right amounts and proportions, in line with an exact recipe. For the most part, this is done automatically, as is the case with the entire production process. Everything is managed from the factory's central control room. After weighing, the ingredients are ground into a meal with the prescribed fineness. For this, we use hammer mills for the production of pig and cattle feed. Hundreds of metal hammers crush the raw materials until the particles are of the right size and leave the hammer mill through sieves. The meal particles of the various different raw materials are mixed completely homogeneously after the grinding process in order to produce a uniform finished product. This ensures that all nutrients for the animal's daily needs are present in the right proportions. Liquid raw materials are also added into the mixer. This process is also managed from the central control room. And finally, the complete homogeneous mass can be pressed into an end product or supplied in meal form as a finished product. The mixture is pressed through the small openings of the die in the press. Using a different die will allow us to produce a product with a larger or smaller diameter. The finished product is now complete, and it goes without saying that its quality is constantly being monitored. The production is planned in such a way that the feed is produced for each delivery and customer, and the bulk vehicle can be automatically loaded with the right feed. ForFarmers' tracking and tracing system records exactly where and when the compound feed has been delivered. Compound feed forms the very foundation of safe food for the consumer.